Question number 3. What are the solutions for the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 2 equals 6x? The first thing we want to do is bring 6x to the left-hand side. And to do that, it will just subtract 6x from both sides of the equation. Over on the right-hand side, 6x minus 6x is 0. This comes down, and so does everything else. Okay, so I want to use the quadratic formula. And for ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, let's identify a, b, and c in this case. A is 3, b is -6, c is 2. Okay, now here's the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so now I'm just going to start plugging the numbers in. It's always nice to put them inside parentheses when plugging them all in. That way, we're much less likely to make mistakes. So, we get negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Of course, I'm using these numbers, a, b, and c. Now, let's just simplify. Negative makes a positive. Negative 6 squared is 36. Positive, right? Because a negative number squared within parentheses becomes positive. 2 times 3 is 6 times 4, 24. We're subtracting that. All over 2 times 3, which is 6. It's supposed to be a minus. Plus or minus. So 36 minus 24 is just 12. All over 6. Now remember that we can simplify the square root of 12. And what can we do with it? Well, 12 is 4 times 3. And 4 is a perfect square. Square root of 4 is 2. So we get 2 times the square root of 3, which is the square root of 12. Great. Are we done yet? Almost. We can simplify a little bit more. And how can we do that? Well, I can factor out a 2 over here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we can just have plus or minus 1 times root 3, or just root 3, all over 6. Now 2 and 6, we can simplify those. Divide 2 by 2, we get 1. Divide 6 by 2, we get 3. And this is finally the answer, 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 over 3. And of course we have two solutions. 3 minus the square root of 3 over 3, and 3 plus the square root of 3 over 3. So D is the answer. And that's it.